Look, I've had this idea for a while now, and I think you need to hear it. What if we gather up a group of spiritualists, a group of healers, and we can just help people? But the people who we help can give in donations, and they can sort of like worship the healers. I've been thinking, what if we called it Hail Healer? Hail Healer? Just repeat that to yourself. Yeah, Hail Healer! And I'm thinking like we could like throw our hand up when we say it. Hail Healer! I think you need to take a serious think about the name of your group.